What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol AGRI for AgriFORCE growing. On the left-hand side, we do have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. Huge move to the upside today, but a majority of it was taken back. We'll look at those fibs in just a second here. This is all largely due to the fact that they're going to acquire a European consultancy company, something or the other, for about $29 million. Now, does that necessarily justify a share price here of $7? Obviously not. Obviously, that's why it sold off. Into the end of the day, this to me was largely just due to a supply and demand issue. Low float stock, a lot of demand all of a sudden, then you get some sort of crazy moves, right? We've seen that happen in the past with a number of different stocks. So what you're watching out for on something like this is all about the Fibonacci retracements, okay? So from low to high of this move, you can clearly see smashed right through the 38.2, smashed right through the 50, smashed right through the 61.8. Even on this green candle here where we try to back test the 61.8, it rolls over into the end of the day. And I would point out that in the post market, we're trading about $3, okay? So extremely weak close. And now with 1, 2, 3, 4 candle closes on the 30-minute chart underneath the 61.8, your odds of retracing 100% of the move have dramatically increased. So this is not a stock right now that I would advise anyone be long of. I would not advise to try to catch the falling knife either. If you look at what's been going on in the past, I mean, just slow sort of grindy action here, it's not really worth tying up your capital. I think there are way better opportunities out there in the marketplace and even outside of the marketplace where you could put a substantial amount of cash and probably make a better return. Again, how long will you have to wait for this to do another one of these crazy pops? You would need some sort of news catalyst that drives a lot of volume into the stock. That's when you get the supply and demand issues and you get these squeezes to the upside. If you're someone who's long from up in here, I would say, probably start to consider what's best, again, for your time and mental health. Do you want to watch this stock every single day and hold on to hope that maybe someday it returns back up there? Or do you want to just cut it down here and put your money to work in other opportunities? That's what you have to be thinking about whenever you're involved in the stock market. Ruthless decision making here, but it's the only way you will ultimately become successful. That's really going to wrap up the video here. I don't really have a lot to say about the levels because the structure is so nasty, because this is just not a stock that I would ever touch with a 10-foot pole. If you enjoyed the video, if you enjoyed the analysis, learned something new, maybe let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.